Morning, everyone. Well, we're starting out dry early this morning in southern Wisconsin with pretty mild temperatures. But during the late morning and early afternoon, a strong cold front is going to be working over us, and we are in store for a big change in temperatures. Let's get things started at 9 a.m. this morning, because I think this is when the front is starting to push into the northwestern part of the area. So Viroqua, you're going to be getting the front first, right around 9 a.m. Now let's jump ahead to noon, and we're going to stop things here because these are our high temperatures to our day. Yes, high temperatures. Just 57 in Viroqua, and only making it into the low 60s in a lot of places, including the Madison area. Meanwhile, Racine-Kenosha making it into the upper 60s, maybe 70 degrees, because as usual, you're going to be getting the front last. Now, along the front, late morning, early afternoon, scattered showers, and yes, a couple thunderstorms possible. No severe storms, but heavy rain and lightning in some spots. Yes, that's a possibility. I think more showers than storms, but a couple thunderstorms are a possibility. You'll know when the front arrives because of the rain that's going to be around, but also the wind's picking up. It is going to get breezy, with gusts picking up to around 25 miles per hour. Now, by 3 o'clock this afternoon, the front clear of all of us. And look how those temperatures have dropped in Racine-Kenosha. At 3 o'clock, no longer in the upper 60s, 70s. We're going to be in the low 60s, and it's going to be staying breezy behind this front as well. Now, that's also going to be the end of our best chance of rain, and also the end of our chance of storms. Once the front is clear of us, the chance of storms going away, but the chance for showers is going to continue. At this point, we'll call it isolated, no longer scattered, but I've got to mention the chance for isolated showers for the homebound commute. Looks like for the homebound commute, the best chance to the north and east. Looks like kind of a little secondary wave of low pressure is going to temporarily enhance the rain chances a little bit early this evening. So kind of a secondary wave, though not as impressive as the front, coming in around 9 o'clock or so. Looks like a little second peak of activity, but gaps. Not everyone going to see rain with this little wave of low pressure that's going to be working over us, and it is still going to be breezy. And look at these temperatures dropping into the low 50s, upper 40s. But we are going to keep cooling down from there. So let's talk about early Friday morning as you are heading out the door. A lot of us are going to be in the mid to upper 30s. Now, right near the lake, just in the low 40s. Now, by this point, we'll call it a light breeze. Gusts are going to be around 15 miles per hour, so a little bit of a wind chill factor, but we'll be past the strongest winds at this point. Now, rain chance for tomorrow. There is a rain chance from Lake Geneva to the east. If you live west of Lake Geneva, no chance of rain tomorrow, and actually probably not going to be a whole lot of cloud cover to start the day tomorrow. Then it looks like a little bit more cloud cover might sneak in here in the afternoon. The reason there's a rain chance from Lake Geneva east, some lake effect showers. Now, I think most of the showers are going to stay over the lake, but some could scrape us. So particularly from Milwaukee, Racine-Kenosha, that's where the best chance of rain is. I don't want to guarantee it, but we're talking about the opportunity for isolated showers, particularly during the morning hours. We're going to be seeing that light breeze stick around throughout the day. I think winds throughout the day on Friday, 10, 15 miles per hour. There's 10 a.m., and notice how most of the activity is over the lake, but some of it could scrape us, maybe if it overachieves reaching the Lake Geneva area. And notice how the cloud cover does increase for everyone as we get into the afternoon hours. I don't think it's going to become completely overcast, but I do think a period of partly cloudy skies. I'll keep that rain chance going right next to the lake through the early afternoon, but I think by 4 o'clock Friday afternoon, even for those right along the lake, the rain chance over with. And these are our high temperatures Friday afternoon. No warmer than the low 50s, and could there be some in the northern and western part of the area that only top out in the upper 40s? Yes, that is a possibility. Now, if these are our high temperatures Friday, you know what's coming for Friday night. A cold one. In fact, for many, it looks like our first freeze of the season. I think 31, 32, going to be very common. Maybe some just reaching 33, just reaching the freezing mark. It's going to be a close call in Madison, but I would plan, all it's going to take is temperatures to go down 1 more degree. I'll give you an update tomorrow. Plan for a freeze Friday night. The exception being near the lake, probably only cooling down into the mid to upper 30s, but I do think we could see some frost form because those winds are going to continue dying down. Friday night, we're only looking at winds about 5-10 miles per hour. Though we're going to start Friday night partly cloudy. Eventually, skies will become mostly clear. So this is your heads up before Friday night. If you haven't already, get those pipes wrapped. And if you have any sensitive plants you want to keep alive a little bit longer, go ahead and cover them or bring them inside.